Hello everyone, welcome to Make Gaming Easy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix unpacking resources error in Mobile Legends. So without any further ado, let's get started. If you're trying to open up the Mobile Legends game, but the game just appears to be stuck in the unpacking resources screen, then there are few things to solve this error. First of all, check whether your internet connection is stable or not. Check any other app that requires internet in order to access. For example, open Play Store. And here you can see that internet is working properly and it is not the problem. Similarly, the other option is to clear the data. In order to do so, go to Settings application. Here, scroll down your screen and go to Apps option. Click on Manage Apps. In the search bar, type in Mobile Legends. Then go to Storage option. Click on the eraser icon that says Clear Data. Then tap on Clear All Data option. And if you're sure, click on the OK button. Now the final option is to go to Play Store, search for Mobile Legends. Click on the app. Now uninstall the app and reinstall it. So that is how you can fix unpacking resources error in Mobile Legends. Thank you for watching Make Gaming Easy. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.